Yes, hello guys. My name is Oscar. This is Sandy, my wife. I think today, not I think, sorry. Today we are going to renew. What are you going to do exactly?
The U.S. immigration so that I can extend my visa because I want to stay with him longer.
Yeah, so we'll show you how it's going. Yeah, we can walk. So we'll show you how it went. Sandy really wants to stay here. She has really liked the place. Yeah, so we'll show you what happened next. I think this will be your first time, yeah?
Yes, my first time going to the
Um,
immigration office.
yes, immigration office. Yeah, it will be the first time. So we'll tell you how it went. At least you'll be able to share, such that if there are any Kenyans or foreigners who've come to this country and would want an extension, they'll be able to know the process of how it is. But I think we'll have to go to Nyayo. Is it Nyayo House first? Yeah, yeah. Anyway, we'll tell you how it went. So we'll keep in touch. Thank you, guys. Yeah, so guys, we are on our way now to Nyayo House. So we've taken a boat. So at least we'll share experiences there because it will be your first time there. Yeah.
Yeah, my
At
first
least
time.
you'll be able to experience what's going on there. Exactly. So right now we are using the bypass. I don't know what this area is called. It's past the hub. So once you are there, we'll share what happened. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, this is Kikuyu area. No, this is not Kikuyu area. This is. I think this route goes to Dagoretti or something, so that they can be able to see the place. So Elimwas is taking us to that side. This one you can, with this route you can also use it to go to the airport. We used this route. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember we used the airport. No, we used this route when you were going to the airport and also coming from the airport. Yeah. It's quite a hot day today. It's very, very hot. It looks like the countryside. Yeah, so I want you guys to see what it looks like. We are not very, very far. This one is actually.
Hi, everybody. I went to the immigration office today and it was successful. I was able to get my passport extension, or my visa extension, I wanted to say, and I'm good until June 9th of 2025. But I found out something while I was there. You can get a 5-year visa. And so I think the next time I'll get a 5-year visa because in and out at times for over 5 years. So I think that's going to be better for me.
Ah, that's good. So how was the how were the services? Was it fast or slow?
It was fast. I mean, within, I don't know, 30 minutes, we were totally done. I didn't know what we were gonna get into. I didn't know what papers to fill out and things like that. So we met a gentleman there who offered to help us, and we were able to get it all done, like I said, in 30 minutes. He was able to take all the paperwork, submit it, work on the computer, make sure everything was correct, and I walked out with visa extension.
And how much did he charge for that service?
I think he charged $50, 50 US dollars. But the 5-year visa is 200 US dollars, which isn't bad for 5 years of coming and going, being able to enter the country and exit the country whenever you wanted to.
Yeah, that's very true, because before you come to Kenya, you always have to pay a fee for the visa. You have to always apply, and when you apply, you have to pay. And when you pay, that is more expenses. So yeah, I think, like you said, 5 year would make a significant change,
Yeah,
and also some significant savings.
it would.
Yeah, definitely. Because and then one thing I noticed when we went there, because we went to Nyaya House, that's where we went. So one thing I noticed there, what I noticed is, for services to be more efficient, at times you need someone from there inside.
That's true.
Yeah, because I remember they told us that it would take like 24 hours. But this guy managed to do it in, I think, even less than 1 hour. I remember you also skeptical when he approached us. You thought maybe he was trying to rip us off or something.
Yeah, I didn't know. I've traveled all over the world, and I've seen different places where people will tell you they can do something and they truly cannot do it. And then after you pay them for the services, they're gone. So
Yeah,
I wasn't
exactly.
sure. I was kind of skeptical.
Yeah, I truly understand how you felt. And especially in such an environment whereby we've never gone there to do this kind of service. And then someone from nowhere, just a stranger, approaches us and tells us this is what can be done. But one thing I noticed about the young man, is this is something he has been doing for some time.
Yeah.
But at least he charged $15, which was okay. That was very, very fair, because he managed to get this thing as timely as possible. So also, guys, I'll try and share his contact, so that one of the things we had to do this is, for those people who want to come to Kenya, they are able to get easy access to some of these kind of services, and they should not really be very, very scared about it. Yeah, because Sandy, you've been in Vietnam and you've been in several countries, so I really understand when you are a bit skeptical about it.
Yeah.
But I'm happy it turned out so nicely and so fairly. Yeah, so that's what we wanted to share on this video, guys. So this is Sandy Pinkerton, my wife, from Pennsylvania, United States. I'm really, really glad again you are able to continue as normal, because you are a little bit freaked out.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, so it's quite a very good thing. So guys, thank you so much for the support. And what I'm going to do, I'll also share contacts of the guys, so that in case anybody would want to reach out, for example, if they have visited Kenya and they would want to reach out for an extension, he would be the best guy, he would be the best referral to do this kind of service.
That's
Because
right.
yes, because I noticed there's an influx of visitors coming to this country. So thank you so much. We truly appreciate. God bless. And please do not forget to like and share our content. Oh, and then some good news. We'll make Sandy doesn't have a YouTube channel. So now we are going to we've been talking this for the longest time. So once her channel is up, then we are going to, you guys, you can also be able to support, and feel free and ask questions in case you'd want. So thank you so much, and God bless you all.